Hey, Budget Basis here. Ever heard someone call compound interest the eighth wonder of the world? Sounds fancy, but what does it actually mean? And more importantly, how does it work for you? Let's say you put $100 into a savings account that pays 5% interest. After 1 year, you've got your $100 plus $5 in interest. Pretty simple. But here's where it gets interesting. Year 2, you earn interest on the full 105. That's $5.25. Not 5. The extra 25 cents is interest on your interest. That's compound interest. You earn money on the money your money already earned. Here's a quick shortcut. It's called the rule of 72. Divide 72 by your interest rate, and that tells you roughly how many years it takes for your money to double. At 7%, your money doubles in about 10 years. Now let's see why starting early matters more than starting big. Person A starts at age 25. They put away $200 a month. Person B starts at age 35. Same $200 a month. Both stop at age 65. Same amount invested every month. The only difference is when they started. Person A has roughly $300,000 more. Not from investing more, just from starting 10 years earlier. That 10-year head start gave compound interest 10 extra years to do its thing. So what does this mean for regular people? You don't need thousands of dollars. You don't need perfect market timing. You just need to start and let time do the heavy lifting. You don't need to be rich. You don't need a financial advisor. You just need time and consistency. Even small amounts matter. $50 a month in a broad index fund starting at 25 could grow to over $400,000 by retirement. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. Open a high-yield savings account or a retirement account. Set up automatic transfers, even if it's just $25 a month. The sooner you start, the more time compound interest has to work. Follow Budget Basis for more simple money breakdowns. And remember, this is educational content, not financial advice. Thanks for watching.